Welcome! If you've ever wondered who's on your Instagram close friends list, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to view everyone you've added to this exclusive group. Whether you want to double-check your list or make some changes, you'll know exactly where to look by the end of this video. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the right account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner. You'll see the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap on that. From the menu that pops up, you'll see several options. Find and tap on Close Friends. This is where Instagram keeps your private list of people you've chosen to share your more personal stories with. After you tap Close Friends, you'll see the full list of everyone currently on your Close Friends list. You can scroll through and see all the names. If you want to add or remove anyone, just tap the Remove button next to their name, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find someone. That's it! You now know exactly how to view and manage your Instagram Close Friends list. It's a great way to keep your private stories truly private and make sure only the people you trust see your most personal updates. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.